Hey friends, so today I will show you how to save money and create a markup for less than $2 to market and promote your t-shirt to sell. Let me show you how, friend.
So let's jump right into it. I told you guys we're going to be learning how to do mock-ups, because what you don't want to do as a t-shirt designer is buy t-shirts, buy a DTF print, or cut out vinyl and then press a shirt to try to sell to your customers. The reason why you don't want to do that because you're wasting time and money. You can do a mock-up, market your markup, and then sell it to your customers without spending $20, $30 to create one t-shirt to sell. So let's jump into it. Right here, I'm just going to simply say, I'm going to say black t-shirt mock-up with an African American model. So what you don't want to do is, say for instance, if I'm going to sell this to a black female, then I want to find a black female model. If she has natural hair, I want to find a female model with natural hair. If she has like long, curly, wavy hair, I want to find somebody with long and curly hair, because the what you're trying to do is show the person how they will or can look in your t-shirt. So if you know that your audience is white, Caucasian, then you want to get a white model, a Caucasian model. If you know that your customer is Asian, then you want to use an Asian model, okay? So be specific when you ask what mock-up you want, what that model needs to look like, because you want that person, your ideal customer, to resonate with the image that they see so that they want to buy your shirt. Okay, so let me just show you. So right here, she banging, and this is a you can tell these are AI generated images, but the average person, once they look at it, they're really not gonna be able to tell. But you as a creator, you know, because we do this all the time, right? So let's scroll through and find somebody that resonate with the product that we're selling. Okay, so let's do this. This is a nice image, but let's find one. I'm gonna do a let him shirt. So the let him for me is just let God handle it. Like, you know how people say let them? No, I like her right here. So only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on her image. I like her hair and everything. And I like her bag, her clothes, whatever. I'm gonna do buy it now. I'm gonna go ahead and do place your order. And once I place the order, I'm gonna come right here to view details, and it's gonna tell me I can download it. So it's gonna go directly into my download folder. But if I want to just go ahead and make sure it goes to the right folder, I can save it here, right? I can save it, but I know it's in my download folder. So now I'm gonna go into Canva. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna click on create. And once I click on create, I'm gonna scroll down to custom size. Y'all know I like 12 by 12, but if you don't know, if it's not already preset for you, go right here and change the units to inches. And you're just gonna do 12 by 12, create new design. It's gonna load up. And once it loads up, I'm gonna come right here to uploads, and I'm gonna do upload file. I'm gonna go to my downloads. I'm gonna give it time to show me which one I did. You see it's 10:01 p.m. So this is the one I just did. I'm gonna upload it. You see? Now I'm just gonna click on it. It's gonna go to my screen. If I don't want all this other background, I can make her bigger to just let it pretty much show her, right? Now I'm going to go to upload files because I'm going to bring my image in. And I'm going to go to my pictures. And I'm going to search for Let Him. And I'm going to do it in white. Because you can't do black because she got on a black t-shirt, right? And you see it has a transparent background. So I'm just going to select it. I'm going to decrease the size. But because she's like, her body is slanted, I'm also going to slant this design. Because if truly she had this on, it'll be slanted too. So I'll make sure I have my 3 inches from her neckline. I want to make it seem like she really have on this shirt. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make this image a little bit bigger. I'm going to bring her down. Just get a little bit of her curls. Because I really don't like her hair. It's like too flat for me. So I'm going to just get the most prettiest part of her. But I wanted to be able to put and show, let him. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger with her white blazer. Because you guys been following me. I love the whole blazer t-shirt look. And now I have this image and I can post this to my social media sites to market and sell my t-shirts. I did not make this t-shirt. I did not pay $2.94 for a t-shirt. I did not pay $4 for a DTF print, or I did not go into Hobby Lobby and buy a $4.99 sheet of vinyl and cut this out. I simply did a mock-up. I'm going to put this on my social media platforms. And when I put this on my social media platforms, I'm going to give them a link so they can go ahead and pay for it. Yep, and they can order it. Yep. Give them a call to action. Tell them, hey, you like this shirt, baby? You want it? Go ahead and purchase it here. Click the link below. And they click the link and they purchase the t-shirt. And then I go ahead and make the t-shirt. Because at that point, I have my money. I can give them their t-shirt. And you see, that's cute because it makes it look like she actually have that on when she really does not, right? I didn't spend anything. Well, technically I spent like less than $2 to get this mock-up. But I can use this mock-up so many times. And now I'm just going to do share, download. I'm going to increase the size just so it can give me a good quality image. And then I'm going to click download. And once it download, I'm going to put it on my social media site and let it sell. Okay? Just like that, friend. I'm not going to save this. Well, I am going to save it. Let's save it. I'm going to do let him mock up. Black tea. And it's ready for me to upload it to my social media platforms, to sell it, to market it. Real quick, real simple, real easy.
Okay, friend. Now you know exactly how I promote my t-shirts to sell without ever purchasing a t-shirt or purchasing a DTF print. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful or not. Friend, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Bye, friend.